Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the first day question of LetCode May challenge, and the name of the problem is first bad version. The question simply says that it will give an array. Simply we can call an array in which uh, there is an element like this. There is written, suppose we have n versions 1 to n. You want to find out the first bad version. We have to find that which first version is bad, and for that we have to call is bad version function. It will automatically return true or false. If it is a bad version, then it will return true. If it is a good version, then it will return false. And the question it is mentioned that we do not need to implement linearly. So if we go one by one in the sense means, if we go, suppose this is an array. If we go from I in range from 1 to 5, then it will check firstly uh, index 1, index 2, index 3 and index 4, and when it find the index 4, and it will return the first version. So this is called linear transversal, linear time complexity. So this is not allowed in this question. We need to implement something else. So the best algorithm to implement this is binary search. So in binary search, what we will going to do is, this is a simple code for the binary search. Initially we will assign the starting index to the low variable or L variable, which we have already assigned, that is 1 here in the code. Then we will assign the uh, last index of a array to the right, or R variable, which is n, which will be given in the question. Here see this, it will pass the n, which is the type int. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to run the loop till right is greater or equal to L. Okay, so the first pointer L, which is pointing to 1, so L is pointing here, and R is pointing to the n, which is 5 in this first example. So R is this. Okay, now we will calculate in while loop. Is L smaller or equal to R? Yes, R value is 5. We can see 1 is smaller equal to 5. That is true. So this will the while loop code block will run and calculate the mid value. Mid value will be calculated from low plus high, or left plus right. So left is 1 and right is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 divided by 2, which is called 3. And the we have to take the integer value. So that in Python language we have done this, and in other languages we have to explicitly define the variable mid as integer. So it will call 3, and then it will call is best version 3. So best version 3, 1 2 3, third index, it will return false. So false means 0. So if 0 means this will 0. If 0 means not satisfied, then this else part will execute. First. Else means left is equal to mid plus 1, and mid value is 3. So 3 plus 1.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं है। तो वही पता चला कि आपकी का है और आप 5 का ऑपरेशन करवाएं।
And mid value is 3, and so L should be equals to 3 plus 1, which will be updated with 4. Okay, and again now we will check with low is smaller or equal to high. Yes, low is 4, which is smaller equal to, and the right is 5. So the condition satisfy again. So again while loop will execute. So mid will be calculated. Now the mid will be 4 plus 5 by 2. So 4 plus 5 by 2 9 upon 2, which is, and the integer value will be 4. It will be, if we divide, then it will get 4 point something, but integer value will 4. So best version 4 will be called. So best version 4, so it returns true. So this time this 1 will be removed and true means 1. So this condition satisfies. So this r variable will getting updated with mid minus 1, and mid is right now 4. So r will be updated with 4 minus 1, 3. Now again while loop will check is L is smaller or equal to R. So this condition removes. Now we will checking is left. Left is 4 is smaller or equal to 3, which is wrong. Which is wrong. So this loop will not execute, and this loop will not execute, and it will return and come out from the loop, and it will execute this line, and this line states return L, and L value is 4. This is index 4, and in this array the fourth index contains the first true value. So in this way we will implement the binary search in every language. So here we are doing the code in the Python language. So here L left is initialized with 1, and R right will be initialized with the size of array, while L is smaller equal to R. Mid is equal to calculating the mid value, which is the mid position. L plus R upon 2 is bad version. This division will give integer value. This bad version, if true then 1, else 0, and subsequently this R and L will be updated and return, and the last it will return L. So let's submit the code and see. So it's accepted. So for rest of the language, that is C++ and Java and the Python, all the raw code will be available at my GitHub profile, and you can I will provide the link in the description section. You can go and see here. This link will be provided. You just go here and you will find the day 30. Day 30, open that day 30 folder, and here you will find May day 1 code. If you open this, you will be redirected like this, and here you see, here is the Python version, here is C++ version, here is Java version, and in all these three languages we have implemented the binary search. So thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe our channel.